you write down some important inequalities which you will use to check the triangles inequality in a case of metric space. So these are some important inequalities. Mod of z plus w, this is also hold in a case of complex number also. So this is mod of z plus mod of w. Moreover, if you are having n numbers in mod, all they are less than equal to the mod of each. So while proving the last inequality, triangles inequality in case of metric space, you can use any one of the inequality. These are important inequalities, standard inequalities. You can use this inequality also, that mod of z plus w over 1 plus mod of z plus w, it will be less than equal to mod of z plus divided by 1 plus mod of z plus mod of w 1 plus mod of w. So you can use these inequalities. Now the fourth one is the Holder's inequality. Holder's inequality says that, let's suppose you are having n non-negative real numbers. So ai भी आपके पास collection है non-negative real numbers की, where I vary कर रहा है 1 2 3 until up to n, and bi भी आपके पास n real numbers हैं which are non-negative. So these are non-negative real numbers. Then this Holden inequality says that then the summation of the product of ai into bi, where I is varying from 1 to n, this will be less than equal to the summation of ai whole to the power p, ai to the power p, and take whole to the power 1 by p into the summation of bi to the power q and take whole to the power 1 by q, where your p is any number greater than 1, strictly greater than 1, and 1 over p plus 1 over q is 1. So this is the Holder's inequality, where ai and bi, they are any non-negative real numbers, and p is a greater than 1. q जो है, that is conjugate of p, means 1 over p plus 1 over q is 1. तो इस प्रोडक्ट का जो आपके पास summation है, that is always less than equal to, you can separate the products by applying this, that power p and whole to the power 1 by p, bi to the power q, and takes the summation and whole to the power 1 by q. So this inequality holds, that inequality is the Holder's inequality. The Minkowski inequality, which is for summation. Minkowski inequality क्या कहते हैं? If you are having ai bi, वही है आपके पास, they are non-negative real numbers, and non-negative real numbers हैं. Now you find out the summation of ai plus bi to the power p whole to the power 1 by p, where your p is greater than 1. Now this Minkowski inequality says that this is less than or equal to, you can separate ai to the power p whole to the power 1 by p plus summation bi to the power p whole to the power 1 by p, where I is varying from 1 to n. So अगर यहाँ पर power p है and whole to the power 1 by p है, you can separate provided your p is greater than 1, like this, and this is Minkowski inequality. But if your p is greater than 0 but less than equals to 1, in that case you can use this inequality. वहां पर बस 1/p नहीं होगा आपके पास, because your already p जो है that is less than equal to 1. Right? And now just see, अगर p देखो आपका 1 होता, if your p is exactly 1, then it will become summation of ai plus bi, where I is varying from 1 to n, then it is less than equal to summation of ai plus summation of bi. You can separate it. So this is the Minkowski inequality. Here the p is exactly 1. p अगर half है, right, तो यहाँ पे भी powers half हो जाएंगी. 1/4 है तो यहाँ पे provided p strictly greater than 0 होना चाहिए, negative नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, and here this condition that p is strictly greater than 1. अगर strictly greater than 1 है तो यहाँ पर आपके पास 1/p भी होगा. मान लो p 2 है तो ये 1/2 1/2 ये होगा. And this is called Minkowski inequality. And you will use these inequalities while proving the triangles inequality in many cases. Right? अगर हम जो आपका मीट्रिक है वो डिफाइन कर रहे हैं Rn पे, तो उसमें आपके पास n कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे और वहां पर ये इस टाइप की इनइक्वालिटीज यू विल यूज टू शो द ट्रायंगल्स इनइक्वालिटी. ओके